In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to your Facebook Business Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite team members, clients, or partners and control what they can and can't do inside your business assets. First, head over to your Meta Business Suite dashboard in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that actually owns or manages the business you want to work on. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, you should see the main home dashboard with an overview of your pages, notifications, and tools. Next, look for the Settings option. This is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Settings to open all of your business settings. This is where you manage people, pages, ad accounts, and other assets connected to your business manager. Inside Settings, find the section where you manage people or business users. In the top right corner of that section, you'll see a button that says Invite People. Click on that. This is how you start bringing new users into your business manager. A pop-up window will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to add. Type in the email they use for Facebook Business, ideally a work email. Double check the spelling here, because if the email is wrong, they won't receive the invite. Once you've entered the email, click Next. On the next screen, you'll choose how much access they get to your business manager overall. You'll see a toggle that lets you give them either full control or partial access. Full control is for someone you completely trust, like a business partner or senior team member, because they can manage people, assets, and settings. Partial access is safer for contractors, agencies, or staff who only need limited permissions. Choose the option that fits, then click Next. Now you'll see a list of your assets, starting with pages. Click on the pages you want to give them access to. This might be one page or several, depending on what they need to work on. On the right-hand side, you'll see another set of toggles for each page, where you again decide between full control or partial access. Think carefully here about what they actually need. For example, full control if they manage everything, or partial access if they only need to create content or run ads. Adjust those toggles and then click Next. Finally, you'll see a summary screen with your selected assets. Click on the Invite button to send the invitation. The person will receive an email from Meta, and once they accept, they'll appear in your business manager with the exact permissions you just set.